Okay, hi, we're gonna do some
Some
funny
sounds
sounds.
from these smileys things that we got off of AIM.
Yeah, no, we got them off of a website thingy. Ready?
Well, some kind of website. It's called Smiley
First,
Central. So
Let's do the first
do
one.
funny ones, okay? So they're funny.
Dude.
Sorry.
That was a raspberry.
Yes, we know.
Oh yeah, you. Like a dance party.
Devil, do the devil laugh. That's
That's
scary.
That's like Kathy. Ready?
I know.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Someone just signed on.
Oh.
Shit.
I'm like, what the hell?
Are you ready, music artist?
Lily Allen here. How are you?
The heck?
I'm losing my mind. How are you?
It was somebody else I know.
Do I make you smile?
No.
Okay, go away now because you're bugging me. That's nasty. Can I get your digits, please?
Need it closer and so it's not like my head's like off to here and then your head's like off
It ain't
to
all
here.
cupcakes and cookies.
Ready? Let's voice this one. Ready? Like mouth it.
Damn. Fire it up.
I don't know who these people are.
Me neither.
It ain't all puppet dogs and ice cream. Hey, yeah, yeah.
I don't know.
I know you ain't talking to me. Oh, what in the hell?
When you see my face,
What's the current situation, man?
Ready?
You're crazy.
who is this?
Let's do this. Aw, hell no. You got good taste. Escucha la música.
I don't know who this is, by the way.
Yeah.
Can't wait to see you.
But we can't see you through the camera.
What's up? This is Mozella.
It's Mozella. I know who this is.
Meatloaf.
It's a
I'd
band.
lie for you, and that's the truth. A schnitzel, my nitzel. Kiss my tuchus.
Let's schmooze. Freaking loam, yo.
This is weird.
What's up, boy chick? What's up, girl chick?
I'm clinically insane, and I like it that way.
Mazel tov.
Mazel tov. What's up, Shiksa? Happy Hanukkah, yo. Don't be getting all Maccabee on me.
Don't know what that means.
Me neither.
CHANUKAH, it's a holiday. We give gifts away.
But it isn't a holiday.
Happy Hanukkah.
It says Chanukah. I don't know.
Breathe, just
I know who this
breathe.
is now.
Me too.
don't you? I don't know. It's Anna Nalick. Nalik.
Hey, how's it going? Love doesn't hurt, so I know I'm not falling in
You're
love.
singing for
I'm
love.
just
Can you
falling
stop?
to
I
pieces.
already told you stop.
You make me smile.
You make me smile.
You sound like you could use a hug. I'll wait for the day when you find I'm too much for you, baby. I can hold you in my soul.
Sarah!
Wherever I go,
You look so
I-
weird. Ooh, Allie and AJ. Probably know her.
Hottie alert!
Them, I mean.
AJ? Allie? She did not just say that. You are too funny. Is that whining I hear?
Yeah, really.
Wah, wah, wah.
Okay then.
You're most popular. Oh, I already did that.
Hold on, just a moment. Sorry we're not talking this time, but we're gonna talk next time. We're gonna have like a kind
Oh,
of
I know we
talk
can
show
do.
thing.
Ready?
We already did this.
Homework is so yucky.
Sarah.
Yeah, but we had to, the videos didn't show up.
Boys are so
No, they're not.
yucky.
Or are they?
Yucky.
Love ya.
Achoo.
What was the thing that we had?
Tired. Woke up at 9 o'clock. Weird. That was loud. Sparkly. That was a clown.
Bleh.
That was weird. She did it at the same time that I yawned. She did that yawning thing at the
You
same
ready?
time that I yawned. My hair is a mess, and I don't know why.
Shame, shame.
Ready? And
Abso-freaking-lutely.
You can't see you, Sarah. Don't you want
Should
to
I
be
do this one?
seen?
should I do this one?
No, not yet.
Because it might end.
Oh wait, yeah.
This conversation is over.
Bye.
But I don't want to go yet, so we're not.
Never mind then.
We just
Hi.
want to play out because we were gonna do it at the end, but
Portuguese. Do Portuguese. I'm Portuguese.
Ativista.
Ativista.
Parabéns. Eu te amo. Como está?
I know what that means.
crude. Here we go.
Because I'm a Portuguese.
Suck it up, princess.
There's a girl saying it.
Suck it up, princess.
Spell check much?
Shut up, bitch.
Listen here.
Kiss my ass.
You said a lot of things.
Grow up, you little.
Hey there, just wanted to say, hope you get hit by a car on the way home. That's what I said. Booty traps.
That's quite a mouth on you, you son of a bitch.
Shut the up.
Listen here, you little. I don't give a shit.
Not very nice.
Spell check much?
Should I do that one?
Hold on. Now, what were you saying?
Abso-freaking-lutely.
If you want to say it.
Hold on. Just 1 minute. Whoa,
These-
Sarah.
Holy shit, something's supposed to come up. This is the wrong
That would be so weird.
So it's like.
Hold on. Just a minute.
SOS! SSDD.
Don't say that.
You don't know what it means. People don't know what it means.
Huh? You're a pine cone, just in case you want to know. Don't tell them what that means. But you're a pine cone. Everybody that's watching this is a pine cone. Just in case you want to know. It's an inside joke. You just need to know about it. It's not a bad thing. Vicky, it's a bunny. It's a bunny. It's a bunny. It's a bunny.
Ready to drum roll.
It's a bunny. It's my nails. My nails look bad.
That's so far our show.